What if you could get a real restful night's sleep with gentle seated stretches you could do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this relaxing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling your rib cage widen with your breath. And when you're ready, exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your chest lightly lifting. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. When you're ready, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder while keeping both shoulders down and relaxed. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. With your next inhale, slowly lift your head back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. When you're ready, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping both shoulders down and back. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. With your next inhale, lift your head back to center and release, moving into a lateral stretch. Reach your right hand across your body to your left leg. Inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, stretch up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine and side body. Slowly release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations, increasing circulation and joint mobility while stretching through your calf muscle, ankle, and foot. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, hinging forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer hip, glutes, deep rotators, and low back. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release and return to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And on your exhale, lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged, your spine long, and your shoulders relaxed. Lift your torso to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, releasing tension through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable resting position. Feel your body supported, hands resting where they feel at ease, and your shoulders soft. If it's comfortable, keep your eyes closed or soften your gaze. Exploring a calming breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Exhale softly through your mouth for a count of 6 or 8, like you're blowing out a candle. Stay with this rhythm. Inhale 4, and slowly extend your exhales to a count of 6 or 8. As you breathe, imagine your whole body feeling a little more relaxed with each exhale. If thoughts show up, let them drift by, and gently bring your attention back to counting your breath. Do 2 or 3 more rounds, and then allow your breath to be easy and natural, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or just a bit more peaceful and centered. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.